This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to access Claude Fable 5. So Claude Fable 5 has just been released today. I am right here in my Anthropic Claude account. So once you're logged in, you'll get a screen a little bit like this. You can see it saying back at it Matthew. Right here, we can obviously enter our prompt, etc. in here, and you see all of your previous discussions over here on the left. So by default, at least for mine, it's coming up with Sonet 4.6 as the model here. All we need to do is hit this drop down here, and you'll see that we have these options. So we see Fable 5 is at the top right here. So it says usage is included until June 22nd. I don't actually know what they're doing here. It says Fable is included in your plan limits until June 22nd. After that, switch to usage credits to continue using it. So it's kind of a bit confusing, but right now you can select Fable 5 here. Obviously you've got Opus still right here and Haiku as well at the bottom for the fastest, quickest answers. But all we need to do is highlight Fable 5 right here and select that. Now it's telling us that Fable is the most capable model and draws down usage 2x faster than Opus even. And I mean, Opus is pretty token hungry. So Fable is even more so. We will obviously put our prompt here. And obviously you're just going to ask your questions directly from there. But that is very simply how you will use Fable 5. As I showed you, it's not selected by default, at least it isn't on my version of Claude right here. So you will need to hit the drop down and then select Fable. And there you can prompt away with Fable, but just know that it is very token hungry, as I indicated here. So thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful and informative, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.